Hey guys, what's up? So in this video we will talk about inbuilt sort function. Okay, so we know selection sort, we know what is bubble sort, but these two algorithms take time to implement. So what happen is this sorting thing is very common. So since this thing is very common, C++ has given us an inbuilt function to sort an array. So what we have to write, for example, this is an array of size n. So we just have to write sort a plus n and our array will get sorted. Okay, so this is inbuilt sort function. So let's see. So I have already made a file. The name of the file is inbuilt_sort.cpp. So I am taking the number of elements. So this is my input and I am printing the array here. So what I need to do is I will write sort a plus n and my array is now sorted. Okay, so a is the name of the array and n is the size of the array. Okay, so my array gets sorted. Let's see. So the compiler is giving me error. And what is the error? So the error is compiler don't know what is sort. Why? Because so compiler is giving me error at line number 14. It is saying that, hey buddy, I don't know what do we mean by sort. So what happened is, just like scene and cout, they both are defined in a header file called iostream. Similarly, sort function is defined in a file called algorithm. So we have to include this header file into our code so that this line works. Okay. So the functionality of sort is defined in a header file called algorithm. So we have to include that header file into our code. So algorithm. Now let us compile again. Let's say the number of elements are 5 and the elements are 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. This is my output. Okay, so this sorting things work. Okay, so why we need to include this header file? Because the functionality, the definition of this function has been defined in this file. And we have to include this file into our code to use this inbuilt sort function. Okay. Okay, so let us discuss one last thing. So what happen is we have many header files. For example, we have hash include, iostream, we have cmath, we have algorithm, we have hash include vector, we have hash include stack, we have hash include queue, and many more. So we have many header files. Okay, so we have many header files. So it is not possible to remember each one of them. Okay, so for example, here, if I don't know in what header file this sort function is defined, then I won't be able to use this sort function. Okay, so there are many header files in C++ and it is not possible to remember the names of all the header files. So we have something called master header file. So the name of this master header file is bits/stdc++.h. Okay, so if you will include this header file in your code, then all the header files that exist in C++ will get included. Okay, so one more time. So if you will include this file in your code, then all the header files in C++ will be included. That is the reason we call it master header file. And why do we need this header file? Because there are many header files in C++ and we cannot remember all of them. So what we will do now is we will remove both of them and we will write here bits slash stdc ++ .h. So this is master header file. From now on we will use this header file in our code. So number of elements are 5 and the elements are 3, 2, 1, 4 and 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is getting printed and the compiler is not showing us error. So I have not included algorithm header file and the compiler is not showing us error. Why? Because this master header file has included all the header files of C++ language. So that is the reason this sort function is not giving us error. Similarly, this scene and cout function are also not giving us error because iostream file is also included in this header file. So from now on I will use this header file. So this is it for this video. Thank you.